Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam here. We're going to do a little bit of a dumpster dive ride along. We're here at the dollar store that I recently got caught at, so we're going to be quick and quiet. So let's check it out. And I was at all of these stores just yesterday. Oh my gosh, okay, these are more, look, these are more of those flip-flops. Remember the ones that I found? So these are those fuzzy flip-flops. I might take them, I might leave them for somebody else, I'm not sure. We got a bunch of lids. Yeah, it looks like the main new thing are these flip-flops. Yeah, see them? I found so many of these not too long ago at a different location. I'll let you guys know what I do, but there's 2 cases of them right here. I decided to leave those 2 cases of the flip-flops because I get a lot of divers around here, and I already have 2 cases of them. So I'll come back later tonight, and if they're still there, I'll take them. But for now, I'm going to leave them. I'm not sure what that is. It's like a big coffee maker. Flex Brew, Hamilton Beach. We got a toilet seat. That's a lot of glass. That would have been pretty cool. I might still take that. What do you guys think? I think I'll take that. Alright, everything else I think I've already seen. Our next stop here is a dollar type store. And I think it may have been emptied this morning, but we're gonna check. Yeah, it looks pretty emptied. I've seen on Instagram that a lot of their items are getting pennied out today, which means they're most likely going to throw them away. Yeah. Alright, it's empty today, but we'll have to keep checking back. Pulling around to the next dumpster here. When I was here yesterday, they were getting a delivery, so maybe they threw some new stuff away. You never know. I'm always cautious around dumpsters like this where the door is right behind me, but can't let it scare me too much. Okay, so it looks like it's actually been emptied. Yeah. Alright, nothing today. Alright, coming up to the fabric craft store here. And I did just find some stuff here yesterday. In my last haul video, the light and the crate and all that stuff, for me, that was just yesterday. But maybe there's more. Not today, that's for sure. Look, we're at the $5 store. I haven't even opened my car door yet, and I can already see that we have Christmas stuff. So let's see how much and what stuff we have. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. We have tons of stuff. Tons and tons of stuff. I just have to get this in my car, guys. This is just so much stuff. I'll keep you updated. That dumpster was absolutely loaded, and I took a lot, but I didn't take much candy. And there's tons of candy left in there. But this next dumpster was empty yesterday. Oh, it's not empty today. Giant mirror. Oh, look, I have one of these at my house already. Yeah, I have one of those, so I'll take that. And there's another one. I think that's another one. Let's check. I hope I can fit that in the car with all that stuff. Oh, this is big. Yeah, I think we have 2 of these, so I'm gonna grab those. Okay, so at that last dumpster, as I was pulling those 2 things out, an older lady, she was dressed really nicely, came up and actually was also a dumpster diver. So obviously I had gotten there before her, so she was looking at the mirror, but she couldn't take it either, that big one. So I'm assuming because she came from this side of the strip mall, I'm assuming she's already been to these dumpsters, but she also just pulled up to the $5 store, so hopefully she takes some of that candy that I did not take. Empty. This one's probably empty too. Yep. And I've actually seen her car before on the same day. And this is my main day for coming out this side of town. So I don't think having competition is a bad thing, and I don't really even think of it as competition because we're all saving the earth here, but I wish we were on different days at least. I think that's it, guys. These last few stores redeemed this dive, so I will definitely have to come at you with a haul here at the end, so stick around. Alright, I'm back with the haul. I'm here at my sister's house, and it is really some good stuff, some fun stuff, mostly Christmas. And like I said, I had 4 boxes that I took from the $5 store that were all Christmas, and when I took those out, it was literally just filled with chocolate and candy and like gingerbread houses, stuff like that. I didn't end up taking any of it. I thought about going back, but I just didn't need it or want it. Yes, I could have donated it, and I would have if I had gone back. However, that lady that I had mentioned was headed that way, and I watched, and she stopped at the $5 store, and she had been there for a while before I pulled away. So I know she was grabbing a bunch of stuff. And I was also thinking like that she was super bold. I was at this dumpster, and she walked right up, which isn't, I mean, I'm fine with it, but it's nothing that I would have been comfortable doing. If somebody's at the dumpster, I would just leave them there and then go to the next one. But she walked right up. If there were more stuff in there, she would have for sure taken it and not care that I was there before her. But that doesn't matter. Let's get right into the haul. So I do have 2 of these. They are picture frame, door, window looking things. I do have one of these at home. It is just surrounding a mirror right now because the glass was broken. But on this one, this entire one, the only thing that's wrong is this is missing 1 pane of glass. They're double paned. But this one is missing 3 whole sets. However, I can easily just take 1 pane from here, put it in here, and then I could still use it as a picture frame because I have a full set. So there's that one, and then I have 2 of those. I don't know if there's a price. I don't see one, at least. Let's check this one. Okay, yes, $60. Sorry, it's a little blurry. $60. So those are both $60. And then the first thing I found was this cool little owl. It is just kind of a thick paper with a little wood grain-ish background. The glass is obviously broken, but I think it could still be a cool decor piece. So let's get right into the Christmas stuff. We're not going to spend much time. This box is filled with... That's not a good one. Here's a better one. These holiday incense stick holders. So as a holder and then the incense, they smell like Christmas things. That one's first snow. This one's winter forest, stuff like that. And then underneath that is tons and tons of little mini Christmas headbands. Here's a few just as examples. There's some hats, some presents, and these giant bows, which technically don't even have to be Christmas. They're just cute. Those could be good for Halloween, too. So that's what that box is filled with. And these all say MOS. If you guys know what that means, I'm not really sure, but that's what they say. We will go to this box next. I showed you this box, and I was unsure what it was, but I took one out. They're these witches, and they have these cute little hats. And on the inside is a ball, like a dodgeball or a kickball type material that needs to be blown up. It has the little spout thing that I'm sure an air pump could fit in, and so those are obviously Halloween that They're witches. The balls can just be blown up, and I have 10 of those. We'll do a quick overview. We're going to do these last. I have 7 of these adorable little tinsel trees. I love the base. The tops I obviously need to reshape, but I have 3 right here and 4 right here. I think they're adorable. I have 1 gold bottle brush tree, 3 Avengers candy canes, 2 snowflake glasses, and these I'm not sure, I'm assuming they just weren't selling them anymore. I have a whole bunch of these tablecloths. They are Shopkins. I think I have like 7 or 8 of them, so those are good. And 1 fake candle. So let's get right now to, oh, there's 2 more things actually, 2 more pieces. I have a whole bunch of stockings, and these I'm actually excited about, and the next thing I'm about to show you, I'm going to try to save them for next year, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So I have a whole bunch of these flip sequin ones. These are silver and whitish. These are white with snowflakes, candy cane, and they turn to silver and green. These really cute stripe ones, which I love. These plaid ones, which I love. And then these fuzzy ones I also love. More plaid, monogrammed ones. Just a ton. And then there's a ton more in here. I just didn't take them all out. So there's a lot more flip sequins, more stripes, which I think are adorable. Plaid. There's just a whole bunch more. It goes all the way down if you can see. Oh, there's just another monogram one that's red. So tons of stockings, and then I also have 2 little Santa hats right there. Tons of stockings, and then this box, which you can see how big it is, counter height almost, is filled with Hatchimals ornaments. Different colors. I know Hatchimals aren't as huge as they used to be, but I mean, kids will still like them for sure. There's probably 100 of them in here, and these were $5 each, which is absolutely crazy that they threw them all away. It's filled up to here with Hatchimals ornaments. So I am going to try my best to keep these, if I can find space, keep these for next year, as well as some of the stockings, so then I can make little gifts. Like I said, I work with kids, and I will again next year, so I'm going to keep those, put them in a stocking, put some candy in there. I took some candy canes last time. Put some candy canes in there. I'll find more stuff and give it to the kids. So I think that would be super cute if I can find space to store that all year. But obviously, none of this needed to be thrown out. It ended up being a pretty good day of diving, even though it didn't start off very eventful, but I'm glad I stuck with it and found this awesome haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I'll be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.